Alright guys, so now we'll be installing or getting the fans ready to get installed. Um, Same thing with the L-shaped brackets, we're going to use them here as well. I'm using the Deep Cool fans from Canada Computers. This one's black, whatever they have in stock. The other one they have in Maverick are the see-through clear ones. It's the same, okay? No difference, just preference I guess. I prefer the blue ones in the front, cold air coming in, red ones in the back, hot air coming out. So I still had some left. I have 6 of these. Those are for the back, for the air to go out, and these are for the front, for the air to come in. Now, you can only fit about 5 of these in the front in between the GPUs, so I'm only going to assemble 5 of these. The way it's going to work is very simple. You're going to put the bracket on the back part of it, so the air is blowing towards that way, so the bracket's facing away from where the air is pointed at. The reason being is it's got just enough gap on the top right here to go over top of that L-shaped bracket that we put, and then you can just zip tie the top. Makes it real easy if you have to swap it out. They actually, some people say, oh, bolt them in. Why? It's so much extra work. Nobody's going to be touching it. Nobody's going to be playing with it. It's just going to sit there and be turning. Easier for maintenance. You burn an LED, you got some OCD going on, you want to replace it. That is what it is, right? So, I've done 4. I got to do another one. I got these L brackets once again, Home Depot. Open the package. There's the fan. Oh, and one thing I found with these black ones versus the white ones, they're cleaner. It's cleaner wire. It's much easier to deal with. I'll show you in a second. So I'm gonna open up one of the other ones. This is still, well, it's not dirty, but it's messy, If you were to compare it to that, it's just the one extra wire here and that's it. Versus that, you try and do a clean install, you can zip tie all that. It's just a nightmare. Alright, so you want to keep the part that comes out on the top. For intake purposes, this is the back part of it. So the Deep Cool emblem will be pointed outwards towards you. So each fan comes with 4 screws. I'm going to open them up. Sorry, my fat fingers. Now you only need 2 of these screws per fan. You don't need to use all 4. So what's going to happen is you're going to end up stripping some, or you're going to do some maintenance later on. You're going to remove it, use the same brackets. You're going to want to change them out in case you strip it. So take the bracket, very, very easy. Put it on the side one so that it's flush on the side. Get your cordless drill or get your cordless screwdriver, whatever you guys want to use, and straighten it. That's it. That's all there is to it. Very simple. Painless. And that's it. We have 5 done. So I'm going to do the white ones. Same idea. I got the 6 of those, and I'm going to be installing them for that. I'll be right back. going to be also using these, they're called, I believe, white connectors. 2 Molex to 1 Molex, 2 Molex female to 1 Molex male, so that we save on the plugs. Now, something I've been recently wanting to do is try this little guy out. They also sell mechanical computers. You can control up to 5 fans individually. It reads the temperature. Leave it on auto, so the auto regulates the temperature with the fans. We'll see how that works out. I don't know about that one yet. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and hang my black fans just like so they're there, and I'm gonna hang my red fans just like so they're there because I don't have the GPUs yet. I gotta go get them, but I want to put it up there and make sure all the wires work, everything's up there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, the rack is now complete. Now, you could either get 5 attachments to it, or what I do is I get these. These are the light connectors. You take these. Very simple. Now these tend to play around, so you gotta make sure you try and get them right on. Plug it in. Take your second fan and plug that in. So now you got 2 fans running off of 1 plug. third fan. Plug that in. Fourth fan. Plug that in. So now instead of 5 plugs, we have still too many. Sorry, it's the back part. So we need 3 of those for the back part. So now instead of 6 plugs, we're going to be looking at 3 plugs. I'm done. That's 3 plugs. Now you can leave it like that. You can tidy it up. I prefer to tidy it up. Take a couple of zip ties. By the way, I like Canada Computers. They're very nice people there. Even though they gouge and price their GPUs lately, they take advantage of it. Like many other places, can't blame them. But their zip ties are garbage. Do not buy zip ties from Canada Computers. Anyhow, I'm just going to zip tie all this right behind here so you can't see it when you look at it from the outside. And I'm going to leave the wire running on that side, on this side down. So I'm going to leave it kind of running, hanging down there. And that you can clean up once you're done installing your full rig.